I gotta listen to all this BS. Huh? Wrong with y'all youngins these days? Think y'all can rap? Didn't even write it one time in your life. Didn't even open dictionaries or nothing. But y'all just come up on the microphone, think y'all can freestyle like that. Your rap wasn't even good when you wrote it down. How y'all gonna freestyle something, man? I don't get it. I just don't get it. That's why I made this video, Wacky Wacky Wednesday, for all y'all whack rappers. Let's get into this. It's gonna be a good reaction because today we got an artist by the name of Haiti Babii. Never heard of him before. So we're about to see his penmanship. It's supposed to be a freestyle. Let's get into this. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it. Rah!
Why you moving out in Stockton, representing the 209?
Yeah.
Let's go, man.
Show you that wolf.
Come on. Real 92.
He said, show you that wolf. He about to get into this. Let's get it.
2-3 shit. Bootleg Cat, DJ Head.
Hi, hi, hi. Hi. Hi, 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 hi.
What is this? He needs some milk. Somebody help him.
Top the mountain like a dragon, I was feeling real high.
Did this nigga say dragon? He could have said eagle or something. This nigga playing what? Game of Thrones? Well, what? Nigga said dragon. Okay, let's get into this. He's spitting that fire, he said. He's dragon.
Feeling like I'm off the alcohol, I know I'm feeling tipsy.
I'm feeling tipsy. What the hell is this, man? He making sound effects, ain't he? He got his own sound effects to this rap game.
I'm a little bit cool. I'm gonna cut up in a dream for the coop. I'm gonna pull up with the rope. Shh, quiet. And he goes, but a rock and a bullet get hot, hot. How was that?
I never heard a gun, well, with a silencer. But this nigga making quiet gun sounds. Wow. This is something else. Let's get it. Haiti Babii.
On a motherfucking black. I was thinking on a box selling crack. You want to follow me? You want to believe in me? You want to chase your dreams? You want to go to the sky? I know you're feeling high. I'm so damn amazing. You thought I was fucking blazing.
This nigga went to the high pitch. What the fuck is this? Huh? I never heard of this right here. This is that new rap.
I'm walking up, bitch. I'm a dragon. My pants tagging. I feel like Haitian Bin Laden, but I'm in Latin. I might ride on my fucking carpet. This shit is.
Hey, yo, do me a favor. Get on that carpet and fly your ass right back to Haiti with that. That's not where it's at. I don't know about your rap album, but this right here, You need to find that genie and make a wish. You need to find that genie and make a wish. A wish for a better verse or something. This is crazy, yo. Then they went from dragons to magic genies to mute weapons in 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes. This is crazy. Let's get
Retarded, you know that I started. Quiet. Haiti, you have to believe in your dreams, wise one. You are the chosen one. You are the champ, wise one. Do you hear me? Everyone will feel you.
Hey yo, this is drugs. Listen, he got to be on some before he came here. He showed me like 4 or 5 different personalities. 4 or 5. What minute would be? In the last 2 minutes, he showed me 4 or 5 different personalities. None of them is a personality of a rapper.
I'm gonna swallow the kids. I'm Mike Tyson. I'm all over that place. All over that room.
Finally, he got something right. This nigga is all over the place, but where he's supposed to be. It's crazy. Let's get it, baby.
Not on you, bitch. All over the room. Pop the helium balloons. I back atop the mountain like a dragon. I was feeling real high.
Hey yo, when is this over with? When is this? This is what y'all listen to now? This is what? I think he did this to get views. This week, I know he did this to get views. This is not real right here. They set this nigga up. They knew what this nigga was all about. I gotta listen to his album, or I gotta listen to at least 1 or 2 of his tracks to see what he really about. Cause this, if he rap like this on his album, and y'all bring him on here and he let's just play this. This is just bizarre. This is crazy right here.
That's all that you get. One day, I'ma have a rich bitch. Hey, man, she get crib dick. Got about a second like a rib stick. Shit.
Get shaking like a rib stick. I don't understand that one. And this nigga always using that high pitched voice, yo. I got to lower this volume. Crazy. No.
I'm on fire. I don't need to rap no more. I can just use my ad-libs. Watch this.
Hey, you wasn't rapping in the first place. When did you start rapping? When did this nigga start rapping? Tell me. I want to know. I know he did a bunch of anti-Semitic sound effects. That's about it. All he was doing sound effects through the whole video. I haven't heard not one rap yet. Let's get back to it. I can't wait till it's over with. Ah, shit, man. What is going on with the rap game? Let's go.
Follow me. Follow me. Swallow me.
Follow me. Look at this. This nigga complete we just heard.
The most unique freestyle experience I've ever had.
That's the most different. That's
Left the mom bottle.
I don't know what just happened, man.
Something happens when I hear a beat. I just kick into it. I ain't write nothing. I don't want to write nothing. I want to keep it authentic, original, all over the place, so people can learn. Keep their mind free your thought.
Yeah, I feel like we got a lot there.
Yeah.
Very Very. It
Oh
was
my
almost like
goodness.
I don't know. That was unique. Haiti Babii, do you got a project out?
You know they don't want to say anything, yo. They want to say something, but then they don't want to hurt his feelings. I can tell. That's the way they looking at each other. He know. He done fucked up. They done fucked up actually for bringing this nigga on a radio station like this. You know what y'all should be doing now? Y'all should be on doing a rap interview for all these rappers now. See if they can spit before you put put them on to these radio stations. This shit don't make no sense. I remember back in the day, man, Cameron and the Dipset, Nas, Jay-Z, man, get on the microphone, spit for goddamn 15, 20 minute streaks of hot bars. Now you got these mumble rappers, as they say, doing sound effects. We went from hot bars to sound effects. I can't even watch the rest of this video, yo. But I'm going to do it for y'all. Let's go.
Yeah, warrior, go get that shit now. You dig?
Now,
Now it's happening on the streets.
a lot of different styles on there. Like I mean, I don't know what we just got. It was very. I got to take it in.
We didn't get no styles. We got a lot of different sound effects. That's what we got.
You use them all.
Yeah, and a
You know
lot
what
of
I'm saying?
noises and shit. Hey man, Haiti Babii, man, that shit was interesting. Go check out his project. Warrior.
They didn't say it was good. They didn't say it was fire. They didn't say it was hot. They said it was interesting. That's about it.
I don't know if that was a seance or a freestyle. I don't know, man. Shout out to
I
Haiti
don't know if
Babii.
I want to. I'm definitely worried.
Don't do it again.
Yeah.
That's a fact.
Shout out to Stockton, man. Brian Sampson, come get your boy over here.
They laughing at the background. They laughing in the background.
Wake up, kids! We have a job!
Man, I have no words. I'm gonna let y'all decide. Comment down and tell me what you think about this video. I don't even want to say. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know.